let's see here. Yes, a little wider, please. Oh, good. Interesting. Oh, very interesting.
What?
He has the hiccups.
I know that. How can I get rid of them?
Well, the truth is, Toad Hog, hiccups just have to go away by themselves. But it's nothing to worry about.
Well, that's terrific, but all our traffic lights still have no power. And Toad Hog's the only one who can fix it.
Well, unless you know another way to power the lights, you'll just have to wait until Toad Hog's hiccups go away.
Another way. That's it. Come here. On, everybody. I have an idea.
What are you doing hanging around like that, Toad Hog? Get it? Hanging around?
Hanging around. Oh, that's very funny.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup!
Voila!
Hiccup!
Hiccup power. Or another way to fix the lights. Hiccup power.
Everyone, let's have a big cheer for Toad Hog!
Wow, why did you do that?
To scare your hiccups away. See? It worked. Oh, guess not.
Hey, come on!
Why are you stopping?
Oh! Sorry! Excuse me.
Please get your shovel out from under my front wheels, Dozer.
I would, Hippo Bus. If you'd just get your front wheels off my shovel.
Okay, now, this way.
Me? Here I go.
No, you.
No, here I go.
You, wait.
Can I go yet, Bobby?
Okay, now, this way.
I do believe it's our turn to go, Bobby.
No, not you. Come on.
We have to do this thing.